Now we'll talk about acids in solution. Acids in solution are acidic because of the presence of hydroxonium ion, which is the H3O+. If we want to write the neutralization reaction, we get H plus OH minus reacts to give H2O. We talked before about the neutralization reaction, which is acid plus base reacts to give a neutral solution, which is water here. In this figure, we have the hydroxonium ion donates a proton to the base. So we have H3O+, which is the hydroxonium ion, plus OH-, which is the base, reacts. Notice what will happen. We said that the base takes the proton. So H3O+ will become H2O. It lost one hydrogen. OH- took it to become H2. H3O+ is the acid and OH- is the base. Since the acid gave a hydrogen to the base, as you can see here. So the main equation is H3O+ plus OH- reacts to give 2H2O. This H2O is one molecule of water. And this is one molecule of water as well. So we have two molecules of water. So this is the equation of the reaction between the hydroxonium ion with the base, OH-. We said that H3O+ is the acid and OH- is the base. At the end, we obtain 2H2O, two molecules of water, since acid plus base gives a neutral solution, which is water.